Umunyeshengerokazi Annette Mugisha nagira ngo akayahuira amatsiko ngo akaruru kayanga atyo ruhanga nuko kumusinguza Reverend Wilson Razi n'abakuru be Kanseji n'abajyango bakatandikaho etsibo bayonja kumushabira nuko ruhanga kuhindura imitima yabinje okwika abusinguza
Pastor was Nabiwa Yesu kwezi kwa munana kwezi kwa mwenda twatwawira masiko twagira makarukagira ki kayanga kingiza kwakaruza nyuma
urukwebembera ekanseji ya New Jerusalem Reverend Wilson K. Razi yonye yashaba Kristayo bagira kwikiriza kandi bongere kwehara okusharamo obubine kiniga
intelligence person
omuntu Jesse
solution and take a silent
they put a solution while they are silent
okunama
keep it quiet
nikubasa kuba kumwombe basi esura 13 nyiri 13 rijamwe n'ibishate kurukumaho amasiko okwikiriza na rukundo rero kwaza
twagaruka mu murembo rwambarara erizoba twatandika isabiti ya kabiri abeji bahumurukire omutongore okujal Bishop Nathan Ibrahim wa Desta Cathedral aho murembo rwambarara yakoze umugishogo okore ko kushasha na munongari yabo abazire abakino kwa beji batakahumukire kandi obo barukwebasa.
How much excited I am to see all of you made the right decision to join DC High School. Now, the DC High School will not be just among other high schools. We want to be a high school that will make a difference. Expecting much more to come out of you. And I've been hearing people say, well, if you don't behave well, we'll try something else. Let me tell you, before we try something else, we'll try Jesus. How about that?
Bishop Nathan Ibrahim kugamba ebi yanarambura abeji ba Desta Cathedral High School aho murembo rwambarara abantu bamwe abeji abari kurenga mu kinana abari kwatiraho cyeka ombi kwatirine no kushoma omwanyogu bagiraho ne kiganiro.
Loving the country, thank you for loving this generation, thank you for loving us. We are really grateful.
Like our deputy said, I want to assure you that we shall fulfill your dreams so long as you are cooperative. Those who want to become doctors, nurses, when I met the F3s, they told me very many professionals that they want to become.
If you are disciplined, now fearing God does not mean that you have to only wait for the God in heaven.
Yes, therefore, keep your milk full. Watching up, and I ask you, try your best to be number one. Did you hear that? Try your best to be number one. To you, that will serve you.
Ikiganiro agati y'abebemezi b'edini n'abeji ba Desta Cathedral High School cyahwa no kushapa.
Then you go home as an engineer, as a lawyer, and you end up as a judge and other things.
Awa TV West ndise Nyomo Gideon na Michael atwachiri.